Hi, as we learned many things about our robots and blocks. What is a robot? Robot is a machine which follows instructions which you give them. But sometimes robots do some mistake, and that is known as debugging. Debugging means like finding the mistakes or the errors and correcting them. So today we are going to know what are the types of error. So first we need a program to do that. So what we will be doing today is we want a robot to move forward 4 steps and then turn left. After turning left, we want it to move forward 4 steps. So if it is not moving forward 4 steps and turning left and again moving forward 4 steps, that means we have an error. So let's see how to debug that and how to what are the types of errors are there. So today we'll be going to learn that. So in that, first we will go to controls and my program. My program, because it is very much important block as it contains all the information about our project. Then we want, as we said, we want it to move forward 4 steps. For that, what we'll be doing is we will use loop. Loop is a thing which commands robot to do a task like repeatedly, like waking up and picking up brush and brushing teeth and all. So same way in the robot thing, like the task which has been repeated, like moving forward 4 steps means it will be repeating that. So that is how the loop works. So for that, after going to implementing this loop here, then we will go for math. In the first block, we can insert the number of times we want it to repeat, as many as times we want. So as of now, we want it to repeat 5. So what we want it to repeat after entering that, what we want to repeat is moving forward. So we want a robot to move forward 5 times and turn left, as we saw here, like turning left. After turning left, we want it to move forward again. Move forward. So how many steps? 5 steps. So now our program is ready. So let's see how our robot works on this program. So first we will reset it. Again start. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is not going as we planned, right? So now what errors we have done here? So let us see that. My program, it is correct. And repeating is correct. Moving forward is also correct. Turning left is also correct. And moving forward is also correct. So the big question is, if everything is correct, then where have we done the mistake? So here comes the types of errors. So first error what we have done is missing a block. Like what block we are missing? So we are missing this block here. So, and in this, we had, in the previous one, we had done one more mistake, that is wrong order. So, this order which we have done, like my program first, then repeating 5 times and moving forward, turn left and move forward. So, this is not a correct order we want our robot to do, right? And we have done wrong value too. So we wanted to move forward 4 steps as we discussed in the first half of this video. So this value should be 4. After entering it 4, so our first the error is debugged. That means the first error has been corrected. So after that, we just wanted it to move forward 4 times, not turning left or again moving forward. Just go forward 4 steps. So for that, what we have done here is wrong order. So after that, we will place this block in the downwards. So now what we have told the robot is, first move forward 4 steps, then you turn left, then again move forward. So let's see how it works now. So here we have not reset it, so it is starting from this block. So for that, After making some changes, first we need to save our project. After saving, we will start it again. So as we saw, a robot is moving forward 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turning left as we commanded and moving forward. But it is not moving forward 4 steps. We asked it to move forward 4 steps, right? So here comes again a wrong value. So we will go to loops, and the first block here we will drag and drop it under turn left, and we will do this move forward here. So now there is one more error in this, that is we have not inserted a value here. So what we will be doing is, as we saw in this part of our video, that we are like placing this block here. So after placing this block, we will insert a value 4. That means a robot will move 4 steps, and after entering it, let's see how it works. So now the exact program says that a robot should move forward 4 steps and again turn left. After turning left, again move forward 4 times. So this is what we have told our robot. After making this, we will save this, as we have done some changes in that. So after saving the program, we will reset our position. After resetting the position, we will start our simulation. So when we click on start, see, a robot is moving forward 4 steps and turning left here, again moving forward 4 steps. So this is how the error finding error and debugging is done. So in this video we have learned what are the types of error. So what are the types of error is, one is spotting missing block, and one is wrong order, one is wrong value. Either we will be doing like missing some block, like moving forward or turning left or turning right or moving backward, or we'll be placing, if we have chosen a correct block, then we might have um, placed it in a wrong order, or we might have inserted wrong value. So that means only there are 3 types of error, that is missing block and wrong order and wrong value. So if we correct those errors, a robot will work seamlessly. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, future robot builders.